She's faith-filled, purpose-driven, kingdom-minded, got a vision. She's making moves, building wealth and using tech with precision. Proverbs 31:31, give her the fruit of her hand. She's a boss, she's a queen, she's got purpose in her plans.
So I wanted to come to you really quick and show you something new. Well, actually, it's been here, it looks like, since February 23rd, but I'm just getting to this in my email. But I got this email from, looks like HeyGen, that it is now integrated with ChatGPT. So you get 5 free videos. I don't know what it costs after that, but hey, we just brought HeyGen directly into ChatGPT and we're giving you 5 free videos to try it out. It works the way you'd hope. Open the HeyGen app in ChatGPT and describe the video you have in mind. And HeyGen takes care of the rest, right? Avatars, motion, graphics, B-roll, it all just shows up. So I tested it out here and I haven't looked at the video. So we are going to look at the video first together. But first, I wanted to know how I would prompt this inside of ChatGPT. And so I went to, oh, there's the video, but let's go to another version of ChatGPT. So at first, it was like ChatGPT didn't really understand what it was that I was asking. And so I had to give it the video or the email, and then it gave me the prompt. So it gave me this prompt here, create a 45-second video of a confident African American female explaining how women use how women can build their first AI app without coding. And then it gives me all of these details, okay? It only activates when you explicitly ask for a video. I don't know about that, but um, let's see here. You should, which one did I paste? I pasted this one. No. Well, let's go over and see what I did. Let's see here. So this is the one I pasted. Create a 45-second video. That's the one that I used. And I gave it the call to action. It took about 3 or 4 minutes in order for this to generate. I thought because it originally said, you know, there's going to be a link. It gave me this right here once it's done. But the video actually is showing up. So let's see what this video sounds like.
Hey, Queen. If you've been waiting to build an AI app but you don't code, this is your sign. Start with a real solve, something you'd pay for. Next, describe your app in plain English and let a no-code AI builder create the first draft. Then connect your data, Google Sheets, a PDF, or your website, and test it with 5 real users. Finally, polish the prompts, add a simple payment link, and launch a tiny version this week. You don't need a computer science degree, you need clarity and momentum. Join the Vibe CodeHER workshop at shethinksI.com.
Okay, that was now the She Thinks AI didn't come out really well, but you know what? You think I'm not going to use this? Those of y'all know me, you know I'm going to use this, but and then I'll just make sure to put shethinksai.com. But what do you think? That was 33 seconds, even though I said 45 seconds. So maybe I need to do 60 seconds and it'll actually create 45. I don't know how many seconds you get. But it did a 33-second video and you saw what it looked like. I think that this is a really cool idea. I'm going to generate some more and see what other kind of prompts that we could come up with here. But I just want to let you know that this feature was out here and that you could actually prompt ChatGPT to give you the actual prompt for this 30-second. I want to say it's 30 seconds because that's what most things start out with, but I'm going to investigate some more. Let me know what you come up with and post your videos below this one. Until we meet again, be blessed, be fruitful, and multiply.
Kingdom-minded, got a vision. She's making moves, building wealth and using tech with precision. Proverbs 31:31, give her the fruit of her hand. She's a boss, she's a queen, she's got purpose in her plans.